Today, we're diving into an affordable memory upgrade solution that's tailored for both home and office computers, the NVTEK 64GB DDR4 2133MHz PC4-17000 Non-ECC UDIMM kit. With a package consisting of 4 16GB modules, this kit is designed and compatibility tested for DDR4 desktop PC motherboards, ensuring a seamless integration into your system. The memory technology employed here is DDR4, with a speed of 2133 MHz, promising efficient performance for your computing needs. What stands out about this kit is its sheer capacity, 64GB in total, offering an ample amount of memory to handle intensive tasks without breaking a sweat. Whether you're into heavy multitasking, content creation, or gaming, this upgrade provides the necessary headroom for smooth operations. Plus, with the NVTEK brand backing it up, you get a lifetime replacement warranty and compatibility guaranteed, offering peace of mind for your investment. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly design of UDIMMs, making it accessible even for those new to upgrading their PC components. Once installed, you'll notice a significant boost in overall system responsiveness, reduced loading times, and enhanced multitasking capabilities. Major OEM DDR4 desktop PC motherboards are fully compatible with this kit, ensuring a wide range of system compatibility. In summary, the NVTEK 64GB DDR4 2133MHz PC4-17000 Non-ECC UDIMM kit is a stellar choice for anyone seeking to maximize their system's performance without breaking the bank. Its impressive capacity, reliability, and ease of installation make it a standout option for both home and office users alike. Upgrade your system today and experience the difference firsthand. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.